Hi everybody, Simon Whiteley here. This is an invitation to join me and other like-minded individuals at the next online stamp meetup. You may or may not be aware, but at the end of March is typically the MIT Stamp Workshop held in Boston, and clearly this year's been cancelled given the circumstances. And I organised an online meetup where we got together and met virtually in the Asgard in Cambridge, Boston, where we all got together, had a few drinks, had a chat, shared some war stories, and generally had a really great time. There was a lot of people there actually. It was really well attended. And I was asked if I would run this, online meetup for the community every couple of months. And so the next one is due at the end of May. So if you're available and you'd like to take part, you want to meet other people and share some ideas, share some experience, then please sign up at the link below. And I'll send you the joining instructions, and then we can get together, have a few drinks, have a chat, and generally have a good time. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you at the online meetup.